good morning. It's Hazel. Welcome to the channel, the Israelite Woman Homestead. And today's video is just a quick little video because today it's moving day. So actually I'm standing in the mess of my room. Right? I'm surrounded by all kind of stuff, boxes and plastic bags and the whole mess. Okay, so what I want to say to you guys is give a little you can see my bed, it's not down yet, but I just want to share some tips about moving to keep you a little bit sane, okay, when you're moving. So how to organize when you're moving and to make sure that you have stuff when you get there and you move and you're not looking for everything. You don't know where things are. So what I did was I got a suitcase and I packed up stuff, clothes and things that we need, and they're in one suitcase, and so we don't have to be looking for a lot of stuff. So we have like clothes packed up in a suitcase for about 4 or 5 days, and our toiletries and stuff like that is all packed there. So we're not going to be going crazy looking for all kinds of stuff. So let me show you guys. So I got this suitcase. Yeah, this suitcase all packed up. I'm ready to go. I got my handbag and everything with all the things that we need. My computer close by. I'm going to give you a shot of it. Hold on. So yeah, this is my madness here. Do you see that? Do you see all these things on there? The bags and everything. But there is my suitcase and my computers and my handbag in one little corner. All the things that I need are in this tiny corner here. So I don't get my books here for my business and everything. It's right there. The things that I'm going to need, so I can just like set up in a spot and I don't have to be going through all the boxes and the things, so I can function for at least a week. So I just want to give you guys some moving tips. So that was my moving tips for today, and I hope that if you're moving somewhere that you'll be wise and you'll get a suitcase and pack up all the things that you need for 1 week. If you have your business, put your computer on one side and your handbag with all your important stuff and your stuff for your business. And when you get there, you can still continue to work even if your house is a great disaster like mine is gonna be when I move. So we're gonna go get the truck